Prime Minister Modi in Bengal and his blistering attack on Mamata Banerjee and her government. Prime Minister Modi exposed the lawlessness in Bengal and said that there's a cut-in commission that's taking place under Trinamool's government in Bengal. And the ballistic attack comes in Bengal, where Prime Minister Modi also raised the Murshidabad violence report. The scathing attack is another face-off that's developing between Prime Minister Modi and Mamata Banerjee. He also called out the corruption and violence that is now becoming a very important and a key part of Mamata Banerjee's governance model as per PM's blistering attack. In fact, in response to that, there's been a face-off that's come in where Trinamool has also posted and said that Modi ji listed 5 Sankats. Let's talk facts. That's what the response has come in from TMC. So you can see, viewers, that this is set to escalate. The war of words between TMC and BJP is set to escalate. They are now talking about specific central government schemes, given the fact that the Prime Minister said in Bengal that those schemes, the benefits, are not coming to the poor. I want to first play out some of those sound bites, snippets of Prime Minister Modi's speech, and then we come back and talk more.
यहां मुर्शिदाबाद में जो कुछ हुआ, मालदा में जो कुछ हुआ, वो यहां की सरकार की निर्ममता का उदाहरण है। दंगों में गरीब माताओं बहनों की जीवन भर की पूंजी राख कर दी गई। तुष्टीकरण के नाम पर गुंडागिर्दी को खुली छूट दे दी गई। जब सरकार चलाने वाले एक पार्टी के लोग, विधायक, कॉरपोरेटर ही लोगों के घरों को चिन्हित करके जलाते हैं और पुलिस तमाशा देखती है, तो उस भयावह स्थिति की कल्पना की जा सकती है। साथियों, भ्रष्टाचार का सबसे बुरा असर नौजवानों पर पड़ता है, गरीब और मिडिल क्लास परिवारों पर होता। भ्रष्टाचार कैसे चारों तरफ बर्बादी लाता है, ये हमने टीचर भर्ती घोटाले में देखा है। टीएमसी सरकार ने अपने शासनकाल में हजारों टीचर्स का फ्यूचर बर्बाद कर दिया, उनके परिवारों को तबाह कर दिया, उनके बच्चों को असहाय छोड़ दिया। टीएमसी के घोटालेबाजों ने सैकड़ों गरीब परिवार के बेटे बेटियों को अंधकार में धकेल दिया है। ये सिर्फ कुछ हजार टीचर्स के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ नहीं है, बल्कि पश्चिम बंगाल के पूरे एजुकेशन सिस्टम को बर्बाद किया जा रहा है। पश्चिम बंगाल के गरीब एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी के लिए जो भी योजनाएं देश में चल रही है, उनमें से बहुत सारी योजनाएं यहां लागू ही नहीं होने दी जा रही है। पूरे देश में करोड़ों लोगों को आयुष्मान योजना के तहत मुफ्त इलाज मिल चुका है, लेकिन मुझे दुख के साथ कहना पड़ रहा है, इसका फायदा पश्चिम बंगाल के मेरे भाई बहनों को नहीं मिल रहा। पश्चिम बंगाल का कोई साथी अगर दिल्ली, बेंगलुरु, चेन्नई गया है, उसको वहां मुफ्त इलाज नहीं मिल पाता है, क्योंकि निर्मम सरकार ने बंगाल के अपने लोगों को आयुष्मान कार्ड देने ही नहीं दिया।
Since 2011, the Trinamool Congress government has taken care of Bengal, and we will in future as well. But first, 11 साल 11 सवाल हमारे पास भी है. If you have time. So I have some queries. It's not my query. It's not a question just from my side, but the whole Bengal wants to know what happened to the promises of depositing 15 lakhs in every Indian bank account. What happened to the promises of bringing back black money? What happened to the promise of creating 2 crore jobs every year? What happened to the promise of doubling farmers' income? What happened to the promise that every person wearing Hawaii chappal would fly in a Hawaii jahaz? What happened to the promise of building 100 smart cities? What happened to the promise of strengthening the Indian rupee? What happened to the promise of making India a $5 trillion economy by 2024? What happened to the promise of reducing petrol and diesel prices? What happened to the promise of corruption-free India under na khaunga na khane dunga model? Why did Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas turn into Jinke Saath Unka Vikas? Why, ma'am? We have some queries as well. We are not doing it purposely. But if you want to ignore Bengal, if you want to ignore the development of Bengal, if you want to, press us and give us nothing. So, of course, there are a lot of pending dues. I mean, no one talks about that. It's a parliamentary affair report that Bengal is getting its funds. Suddenly, आकर आप कुछ भी बोलेंगे that हमारा ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. You have to see एक आंख में काजल, दूसरे आंख में सुरमा. It shouldn't work like that, ma'am. It should work hand on hand. If we are working with the union government cannot be biased. Why don't they release those funds? We are ready to work with the union government. We are there with the government. We are not outside India. We are there. Bengal is a part of India, ma'am. But if you want to deprive Bengal and Bengali staying here, I mean, it's a very sad story. I don't understand coming once a year, twice a year, and just giving some tall talks and going away. And you are just focusing on election. It doesn't work like that.